Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Apollo.io account and remove your professional data from their database using the latest 2026 security protocols. Let's get into it. First, cancel your active subscription. Before you can permanently delete an account, you must ensure that auto billing is turned off to avoid phantom charges after your profile is gone. Log in to your Apollo.io dashboard and click on Settings, the gear icon, in the bottom left corner. Navigate to Billing, then Plan Overview. If you're subscribed to one of the plans, click on Cancel Subscription. You will need to click through a few Are You Sure prompts. Ensure you receive a confirmation email stating your plan has been downgraded to free before moving to the next step. Next, initiate account deletion. In the 2026 interface, account deletion is handled within the admin console to prevent accidental data loss for teams. While still in the Settings menu, go to Account or Manage Team and look for the Delete Account or Close Workspace button at the bottom of the page. If the button is missing, which happens on certain legacy plans, you must send a direct email to privacy@apollo.io with the subject line Request for Permanent Account Deletion. This is a mandatory step for GDPR and CCPA compliance. Lastly, opt out of the public database. Deleting your account does not always remove your listing from their public B2B database. To ensure your personal business info is gone for good, you must perform a privacy opt-out. Now, try visiting apollo.io/privacypolicy/remove. Enter your professional email address into the form. Check your inbox for a verification email. You must click the link in that email to confirm the removal. Once clicked, Apollo will scrub your record from their search results within 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. To fully leave Apollo in 2026, you need to cancel your subscription first, then use the Delete Account button in your settings. Most importantly, don't forget to use the Privacy Center to remove your public contact info from their database so you stop receiving unsolicited sales pings. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.